Hello dear students, welcome back to E-Classes of Statistics Standard 11th. In this video, we are going to continue exercise 6.1 with sum number 15 of your textbook. So let's read sum number 15. How many arrangements of the letters of the word shloka can be made such that all the vowels are together? The word shloka is given and we have to arrange vowels together. So in the word shloka, there are 6 letters and out of that, two are vowels. O and A are vowels. So let's arrange vowels together in this word shloka. So the word shloka is given. Out of that, 2 are vowels. O and A are vowels. These remaining, there are 4 letters. Which are they? S, H, L, K. And remaining 2 are vowels. O and A are vowels. For that, it can be arranged in 2P2 ways. P2. And when the word together is used, we have to count this O and A as 1. So S, H, L, K will be 4 and together's counting will be 1. So these are the remaining 5 letters. So the arrangement of 5 letters can be in 5P5 ways. So this is the total permutations. Let's solve it. So the total permutation is equals to 5p5 into 2p2. The value of 5p5 is 5 factorial and 2p2's value is 2 factorial. 5 factorial is equals to 120 and 2 factorial is equals to 2. So 120 multiplied by 2 is 240. So we can arrange the word shloka and its vowels together in 240 ways. Let's solve the next sum. The next sum is 16. Let's read it. 7 speakers A, B, C, D, E, F and G are invited to deliver a speech in a program. Speakers have to deliver speech one after the other. In how many ways speeches of 7 speakers can be arranged if the speaker B has to deliver his speech immediately after the speaker A? So in question it is mentioned there are 7 speakers A, B, C, D, E, F and G. And each one of them have to deliver speech one after another. So there are total 7 persons. If A is delivering his speech, then remaining 6 speakers can be arranged for their speech in 6P1 ways. When the A is giving speech, so there are remaining 6 persons. So that will be 6P1. So let's solve it and be more clear. So, there are 7 speakers A, B, C, D, E, F and G. There are 7 speakers. If A is delivering his speech, then remaining are 6. That will be 6P1 because at a time only one person can deliver his speech. Then B will be delivering his speech. Remaining there are 5. So that will be 5P1. Then if C is delivering speech, there are remaining 4. That will be 4P1. And then it will be 3P1, 2P1 into 1P1. This way, speakers will be allowed to give his speech. Let's solve this permutation and be more clear. So here is the total permutations. 6P1 multiply 5P1 multiply 4P1 multiply 3P1 multiply 2P1 multiply 1P1. That will be 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And the answer is 720. So arranging 7 speakers for delivering speech one after another, there are 720 ways. So here we have completed exercise 6.1. In our next video, we'll be starting exercise 6.2. Till then, revise the exercise of permutation, go through it properly. Thank you.